So in this session, we'll be seeing on preparing the list. So we'll be getting into the topic called lists, right? So let us get into the topic of list. So what is this list I'm talking about? So list is nothing but it is like a collection of items of a particular order. So I can put it in a simple way. It's a collection of items in a particular order. It could be list of your shopping list. You can take as a shopping list as an example, right? Shopping list as an example, or it could be the number list also, right? From 0 to 9 it could be number list, or it could be the list of your name of your people's family, right? So family members, so family members name can be the list that you can prepare, right? So for that the Python requires a square bracket, right? It requires a square bracket. So in this case you find these are the two square brackets where the Python requires you to indicate the elements within the list, right? Suppose I type a very simple example, say I'll just put for the flowers. So I'll just take the example of the list of flowers, right? Suppose I take a flower as a variable and I'll be assigning this within the box, right? So that is your square brackets. So open the square brackets, type the square bracket, automatically it will come, and in this you can type the text individual flower name one by one within a single quote or double quote. So both are strings only. So I will type as a rose, right? Then comma, I will type it as say lily, then comma, then you have the flower called sunflower. Just taking for an example, right, to explain the concept of list, that is right. Then you take as jasmine, then you take the flower one called lotus. Okay, so now these are like lists which has to be put into the box. In this case, suppose I execute this shift plus enter. So in this case you have type shift plus enter. So here what I have to do is that I have to just print the variable flower and see how it actually works. So just type print flower and it shows the list directly rose, lily, sunflower, jasmine, lotus, and I don't want that this type of outpost to be accessed. So I want the individual item within the list to be accessed. So here we are more concerned with the accessing of the elements in the list.